In the early college high school setting, my kids are graduating with not only their high school diploma, but also with their associate's degree. So it's a much more intimate environment where there's a lot more one-on-one interaction with not only the students and the staff, but the students and the counselors, and they have that connection to every adult in the building.
Working in early college high school, I've seen proof that kids can achieve some things that really traditionally they're not supposed to do, no matter what the background. So we've had students come through that have failed courses in middle school and state tests, and no one in their families even graduated high school, much less college, but they're able to make it through and be successful with the right support pieces in place. There's nothing really they can't achieve.
If we start off with these kids as freshmen and we build that ability to be successful from day one with good faculty and a great cooperative relationship between the higher ed partner, I think that kids will be successful.
Our partnership with our higher education partner is incredibly important. We meet weekly with the vice president and director level people at that college because they also value the early college high school. And so those meetings and discussing the programs and the procedures are vital to us making sure that we can provide students a true college experience and not a watered down college experience, so that they're prepared to go on to a four-year university and then hopefully graduate school and on.
The challenge of graduating high school is not even part of the conversation. The bachelor's degree is not even part of the conversation. They're already thinking, where am I going to complete my master's degree? And that's really exciting. Not only are you able to break the cycle, you're able to set the tone for not only themselves, but for generations to come.
We're actually here so they can fail, and fail with a net, because we want them to experience that and know what it means, the tenacity to get back up, how to persevere, how to make sure that they can do what they don't think they can do.
To me, early college high school is an absolute blessing. Having the opportunity to just have 2 years paid for is incredible.
At first it might seem a little hard, you don't want to do it, but it's definitely worth it in the end. I ended up getting a scholarship in UTEP, so I'll be going to UTEP and I'll be studying forensic science.
It was like the best decision I made in my life. Yeah, like I love early college. I'm glad I did it. I want to work at like Lockheed Martin or NASA, SpaceX. I just want to work in aerospace engineering. I find like it interests me. This is what I'm good at.
So currently I am a senior in a Bachelor's of Science of Biology. I'm doing full-time, I'm doing research in some labs at UTA, and I'm working as well at UTA.
And how old are you?
I'm 19.
The great part I like about it is we're addressing kids that really need it, and kids that sometimes would get lost and never have an opportunity to go to college, and we get the high school diploma and say that's it.
We're preparing kids for something different than what they've ever experienced. And through that experience, they're able to break generational boundaries.